कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। आएंगी सदियां जाएंगी सदियां, रह जाएंगे फिर भी तेरे निशान। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधियां। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधियां। मंजर।
For a remarkable span of 9 years, Cloud Analogy has been on an incredible journey of constant learning, innovation, and expansive growth.
के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां, मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया।
This incredible trajectory owes its success to the unwavering commitment and collaborative efforts of our exceptional team, operating as a unified and dynamic community. At Cloud Analogy, we value diversity as the cornerstone of our strength and belief in the power of inclusivity. Each decision we make is meticulously crafted with insights from a diverse range of team members, ensuring that every voice is heard and valued. It is this collective spirit of ownership, accountability, and shared responsibility that propels us towards achieving our milestones, ensuring success not just for us, but for our esteemed customers and all our stakeholders. We take immense pride in the tapestry of strong individuals and thriving communities that form the bedrock of Cloud Analogy. And we eagerly anticipate welcoming many more exceptional talents and vibrant voices into our fold. Together, we are poised to scale new heights, innovate relentlessly, and create a future that is not just successful, but deeply impactful. The journey ahead holds boundless possibilities, and we stand ready to embrace each challenge with unity, purpose, and unwavering dedication.